Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia, if you don't already know. If you're new here, welcome to the party. If you're returning, welcome back to the party. This is a weekend vlog, a weekend in my life. Today's Friday morning. I was just gonna wallow around, maybe do some laundry, but then my mom called and we're doing spa day at my aunt's house. So I was like, this is perfect. This is the perfect way to start off the vlog. So we're gonna go to my aunt's house. We're gonna start spa day and brunch because apparently there's brunch. And we're gonna have a relaxing day. This is today's fit. Don't mind all the dirty clothes. Just some shorts. It's really warm. It's like 80 degrees today. Simple shirt. My hair is a literal mess, but we won't talk about it. We're just gonna pull our sunglasses down. It don't even matter. We have now entered the part of weather or temperature rising where you cannot leave the house without ice cold water. So don't forget it when you leave. A great weekend. It's off to a great start. Oh. Hi vlog, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's the next day. I came home after the massages, y'all. And I just... Dang, you're wild. Yesterday, after the massages, I just came home and I started editing. I needed to finish editing it. So that's what I did last night, which is why I didn't get back on the vlog. But today is Saturday. Today is 4/20. Woo! And me and Myra are going on a hot girl walk. Right now, it is currently 12:31. And I'm getting ready. I'm just doing some like glam because it's a hot girl walk. And I just want to feel like a hot girl. Actually, I really want to like play around with my new brow stuff. So that's why. I think I'm just going to do my brows. And I might put a lip gloss on. I might do the lip gloss too. Myra is currently on her way over, so I'm really trying to rush. Low-key, high-key. And I think I low-key, high-key rushed her when I called her to see where she was. I screwed myself, but we have all the time that you need. This lighting right here is really, really good. And it's just the lighting from my mirror. And then like a little bit of the backlighting from the window. I'm gonna use my Morphe brow pencil. So I use the Refi brow gel on my brows just to get them to like go in the right direction. And then I'm gonna fill them in with this Morphe pencil. I'm gonna do my get ready with me. And then I guess I'll be back on the vlog. Yeah. I have just arrived at the belt line on the east side, and I'm excited. My life's good. I told them that we're matching. We are. Hold on, I need this to be. Hold on, I need
oh, you gotta send me this. Send me the link.
Okay, it's on Shein, but I'll send it to you.
He's holding the phone up.
I really wish you could get lower. Hold on, let's see if I can get it.
Please say.
Literally modeling the same set. I love it.
This is so cute though. Like, what?
Oh my god.
It's a great idea. With the hot girl walk, we both have different plans. So she has to go to a housewarming. And I am meeting Zanal and a friend at Denver. And I'm going to go to
Her. I'm so glad you just narrated my entire thing. I don't even have to talk. I love it. Oh, yeah. It was we stopped at the coffee shop. This is the coffee shop, right? It is currently 9 p.m. and I am running super late. It started at 7. It's not 7. We're gonna speed through this.
She's the type who will get what she wants, doesn't hide. Always out in the sun, and it kills me slowly. Seeing her pass me by in the city of dreams. Wish that I had that power in me, but I'm just too madly
Morning vlog. Excuse the heater I'm turning on. It's raining. Hold on. It's Sunday. The Sunday after my hair is done and it's raining. I hate when that happens. So much effort and energy and heat on my hair only for it to rain and pour down raining the next day. Or even the night of. Last night it was raining. I'm about to go home because I forgot a lot of things that I'm gonna need for the week. I'm at my boyfriend's. So I'm gonna go home, get those things while he's at yoga. And then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna be back before 1 and then just be stationary and chill for the rest of the day. That's the goal. So let's go ahead and go home, do what we gotta do. Okay, I just grabbed my stuff from home and I low-key am in a really good mood now. Like driving in the rain during the day when it's not a lot of people on the road is actually kind of a vibe. And it's a Sunday, so it's nice. But I actually would like a frappe, so I think I'm gonna get a McDonald's frappe for this cute little drive. And then I'm gonna head back. I have y'all attached to my rear view mirror with my little squiggly things. Obviously I'm not gonna do this like for long periods of time, but I like this. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Frappe secure. Okay, now I just need to figure out what is my kickoff song. You know, what's the vibes for the kickoff song? Awesome, amazing, let's go.
Bums you didn't win, there's always another fabulous home to give.
They're appealing.
I don't see it, dog.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.